Hi.
Hi. Are you okay? Why are you staring at me like that?
You're back early.
Oh yeah, I forgot something. Besides, I'm very hungry. Can I get something to eat?
You didn't tell me you're coming back so early. If you did, I would have prepared something for you.
You see, that's all I get in this house. That's all I get in my house. No breakfast, no lunch, no dinner. All you do is sit in this house and think about your inability to give me a child. It's a shame, Charity. It's a big shame. I can't eat in my own house. It's a shame.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.